While it deeply pains me to have to make this video, I'm afraid the time has finally come. After 6 whole years of using TD Ameritrade, I am finally leaving it as my go-to broker for day trading. Hey guys, what's going on? Justin here, back with another video where I'm going to be talking about why after 6 whole years of using TD Ameritrade every single day, why I finally decided to leave the platform and go elsewhere. So I started trading back in 2015, so that is 6 years ago. And from the beginning, I have been using TD Ameritrade for all of my trading activity. Since the year of 2015, huge strides have been made within the brokerage industry, which has also caused some issues for the TD Ameritrade platform, which I will be talking about later in the video. One of the major changes in the brokerage industry is the commission fees. Before the Robinhood era, it was actually quite normal for brokerages to charge quite a steep fee for the transactions of both stocks and options. However, with the growing popularity of Robinhood due to its beginner-friendly interface as well as its big $0 commission fees, other big brokerages including TD Ameritrade have had to bring their commission fees down as well in order to compete. This is also known as the Robinhood effect, where TD Ameritrade previously charged $6.95 per transaction of a stock. As of October 3rd, 2019, that has been brought down to $0 per transaction. This enabled users who previously had avoided the platform of TD Ameritrade due to the higher commission fees to flock to the platform due to their new fee of $0 per transaction. A few months later, in March 2020, the stock market rally off of the COVID-19 lows also led to an influx of new retail traders into the market. During this time, TD Ameritrade added a record 661,000 new accounts over this period. At the beginning of 2021, we saw another major event, the boom of meme stocks. And during this point in time, we saw another influx of retail traders trying to get a piece of the action. During this meme stock period, Robinhood saw 6 million new users in the first quarter alone. However, they ended up halting the transactions of meme stocks for its users. Following this halting of meme stock trading, furious, these new traders wanted to revolt against Robinhood, and ultimately some of them ended up leaving the platform, thus going to other brokerages such as TD Ameritrade. So where exactly am I going with this? Over the last 2 years with TD Ameritrade, I have been noticing more and more issues with lag and poor fills. Personally, I believe this is due to the significant influx of new retail traders. I believe that this new influx of users has ultimately slowed down the performance of what TD Ameritrade used to be due to this increased volatility of activity. While these issues might not be so apparent to a casual trader or investor, being an active options day trader, oftentimes I need to be able to enter and exit positions quickly and efficiently, and having laggy quotes as well as poor fills is a one-way ticket to lose money. One of the tools that have really made me stick with TD Ameritrade was its Thinkorswim active trader software, which basically allows me to see the depth of market but also enter and exit trades efficiently, especially on the option side. However, I've begun to notice more and more that there is slight lag here and there within the active trader platform, and ultimately through experience, I've begun to notice that my fills have begun to not get filled as quickly compared to what it used to a few years back. After a lot of debate, this has ultimately led for me to find a new alternative, a new broker, and that's exactly what I did. Before we go any further, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. And let's get back into the video. So my objective when finding a new broker was to identify a broker who, one, had good quotes and no lag, of course, but two, had something similar to TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim active trader software. This ultimately led me to TradeStation. TradeStation has very similar software to Thinkorswim's active trader, which is called the Matrix. This was something that drew my attention, so I decided to give it a shot, and man, am I glad I did. I have been using TradeStation for about 2 months now to test it out before giving it a review, and while it does have $0 stock commissions and 50 cents option commissions, similar to TD Ameritrade, I have noticed significant difference in my fill speed and my quote speed. The platform as a whole feels a lot more crisp and sharp. This platform definitely feels a lot more suited for the active trader. If you're an active day trader who is on TD Ameritrade noticing the same issues, this might be a switch that you might want to look into. However, this switch between brokerages might not be for everyone. If you are not actively day trading but more so focusing on swing trades or long-term investing, TD Ameritrade might be a platform that you might still want to use. There are many positive aspects to TD Ameritrade's platform, such as one would be their customer service is fantastic. Two, they don't have a minimum balance requirement. Three, they have a large investment selection. And four, it's an overall quality platform as a whole with TD Ameritrade Online, as well as Thinkorswim desktop and mobile applications. It really all comes down to what you are looking for out of your broker. Are you an active day trader looking for performance with up-to-date as possible quotes and fills? Or are you a swing trader or investor who isn't quite bothered for the occasional lag here and there that you get from the platform? It is up to you to determine which style works for you and move forward accordingly.